Do you want to know how you can log into your Lausd Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Lausd Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar to search for Lausd Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to this side. You can see sign in option on the bottom of your screen on the left hand side. Go ahead and click on sign in. It will take you to this page where you can click on Lausd single sign on. After click on it, it will take you to a separate page which will be your Microsoft login portal. You must write down your details over here. So go ahead and click on sign out and sign in with different account. Go ahead and click use another account. The next step is to write down your email address, phone number or Skype associated with your Lausd Payroll account. So go ahead and write it and click next. After you click next, if the email is registered, you can see that there will be option of password. So go ahead and write down your password and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign into your Lausd Payroll account. Make sure that you are already registered with Lausd, otherwise you cannot log into your account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.